Robert Lewis was an American physical chemist who was nominated for the Nobel Prize 35 times. Unfortunately, he never got one, but he did leave behind his legacy in the field of chemistry. In this video, we will be studying different types of covalent bonds and the contribution of Gilbert Lewis in representing them. Let us study the various types of covalent bonds. Single bond. A covalent bond formed by the mutual sharing of only one electron pair between two atoms is called a single bond. Here, each atom contributes only one electron for sharing. A single bond is denoted by placing a single line between the two atoms. Double bond. A double bond consists of two single bonds and is formed by the sharing of two electron pairs between two combining atoms. Here, each atom contributes two electrons for sharing. A double bond is denoted by placing two lines between the two atoms. Triple bond. A triple bond consists of three single bonds and is formed by sharing of three electron pairs between the two combining atoms. Here, each atom contributes three electrons for sharing. A triple bond is denoted by placing three lines between the two atoms. Lewis representation of a covalent bond. This method was proposed by G.N. Lewis and is known as the Lewis representation or the Lewis structure. According to the Lewis notation, electrons in the valence shell of atoms would be represented by dots or crosses. For example, let us consider the formation of a chlorine molecule. Here, each chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its valence shell and is short of 1 electron to acquire a stable octet. The valence electrons of both the chlorine atoms are represented by dots or crosses as shown. Both the atoms have the tendency to gain electrons. The two chlorine atoms on combining form a pair showing one dot and one cross, representing a covalent bond. A single electron pair represents a single bond. Similarly, in the formation of methane, the electronic configuration of a carbon atom shows that this atom requires 4 electrons to acquire a stable electronic configuration. This configuration is achieved by sharing its 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms to form the molecules of methane CH4. To summarize, we have studied types of covalent bonds. Single bond, double bond, triple bond, that a single covalent bond is formed by sharing a single electron pair between two atoms. A double bond is formed by sharing 2 electron pairs between two atoms, while a triple bond is formed by sharing 3 electron pairs between two atoms. According to the Lewis notation, the valence electrons of covalently bonded atoms are represented by dots or crosses. Most of the globe is blue in color because water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It is also present in vital fluids of all living organisms. How is this elixir of life structured as a molecule? Stay tuned with